Are you looking for the best goalkeeper gloves? Here we will break down the top 7 best goalkeeper gloves on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Blok-It Goalie Gloves. Finger-safe goalkeeper gloves for soccer. There are gloves for professional games, and there are others for other lighter goalie duties. Professional goalkeeper gloves are something you would not want to wear outside a competitive match. For instance, practice gloves are constructed in a way that forces the one wearing them to concentrate on his technique, rather than depending on the quality of the glove to cover for poor skills. Blok-It has designed a pair of keeper gloves that are extremely all-rounded in their application, and stand out as a quality pair of practice gloves. It should be perceived that this type of glove is made to withstand harsh conditions over a long period of time. Its durability will shine through as it rises to the occasion to produce the desired quality to aid a player's development. The Blok-It pair of gloves achieve this by offering base standards without failing. At number 2. Youth and Adult Goalie Goalkeeper Gloves. Strong grip for the toughest saves. Bent fingers are not anything one would love. This is why it is recommended for goalies to look for gloves that prioritize the safety of their fingers. This glove has a one-of-a-kind palm and finger protection design with thick stuff latex foam. This type of padded cushioning prevents your fingers from getting injured during the game. In addition, they contain wear-proof and anti-slip palms made of latex. These two properties are important when dealing with ball handling to ensure you avoid letting in goals. The palm is pretty durable, which is a major plus, as this is a major point of weakness for many glove types. Catching soccer balls hit towards you in a forceful manner can cause wrist injuries. You have to require that your goalie gloves offer a reliable safeguard. The double design, close-fitting Velcro and elastic properties are key features of this goalkeeper glove that offer support without giving up any flexibility. Your hands will be shielded from the forceful impact of the ball, hence you can continue playing for longer without the worry of injuries. This glove is manufactured using latex and EVA components. This way they remain strong and can withstand a whole season of pressure. They also allow the circulation of air and the evaporation of sweat, making them suitable for use in warm conditions. Furthermore, they are light and easy to use. At number 3. Sportout Kids Goalkeeper Gloves. Soccer gloves with double wrist protection. Sportout made a great product that a lot of kids use. They are among the most popular gloves for kids who play as goalkeepers. They offer double wrist protection and non-slip, and wear-resistant latex material for nice protection and injury prevention. Offers pretty strong finger protection. It's made of silicone, and Plastic.it is a well-known brand which exports its products to more than 50 countries, so the quality is good. Gloves are made of breathable mesh fabric, which allows to keep palms in good and comfortable position by absorbing sweat quickly while playing soccer. Various cushioning is used to protect the palm, and they look pretty durable. Most people are saying that they are using gloves for 1 year, and just then starting to see signs of wear off. For children they are number 1 pick because they are specially designed for them. At number 4. Nike Vapor Grip 3 Goalkeeper Soccer Gloves. This pair of soccer goalie gloves is simply a classic from the world's best-known sports brand. Timeless, these Nike Vapor Grip 3 Goalkeeper Gloves have received little to no improvements over the years. It's hard to improve what is already perfect. The different variations of this product are very similar. In fact, only the design and colors are the most notable changes. It's a very characteristic patented cut that allows for a greater contact surface with the ball. The glove's palm is made of Nike's new 4mm Contact Plus foam, which is efficient no matter the weather, and also one of the best grips you can get. Thanks to the high-end materials used in the conception of these soccer gloves, they happen to be the most durable and sturdy option on the market. At number 5. Nike Spyne Pro Goalkeeper Gloves. These Nike Spyne Pro are also quite decent. The inside grip is best used if your glove is perfectly fitting your hand, so I would order one size below what I normally wear, if I had to order these again. What is very unique about these gloves is the inside grip. It's quite comfortable to wear and you can be sure that they won't slip. The palm does a relatively great job at absorbing impacts, the grip is above average, and more importantly, the bio-line technology sets your hands in a ready-to-catch position at all times. Great straightforward gloves overall, but there are definitely better options in this price range. At number 6. Brine King Premier 5X Soccer Goalie Gloves. These gloves are refreshing, a noble option for the preserve of royalty. Their unique design shines and makes them stand out from the rest. Apart from their aesthetic beauty, they also possess some unique features that are quite rare in gloves. For instance, they have spine protection design that acts as an absorber of any impact. Wrap thumbs allow for greater control when handling the ball. The palm has about 3mm of latex cushioning that helps in providing a good grip. To prevent injuries to your wrists, these Brine King Premiers have an elastic wrist cuff. This EVA wrist cuff provides the necessary support that you require without compromising on comfort and flexibility. In fact, these gloves are the leaders in wrist protection and comfort. For those goalkeepers with weak wrists, this is an excellent option to offer you the requisite protection. Brine King Premier gloves also are very comfortable and have a firm grip. They also provide longevity and quality standards at an attractive price. Though they tend to get dirty very quickly due to their bright colors, they are just as easy to clean. At number 7. Puma Evopower Grip 2.3 Goalkeeper Pink Glow Safety Yellow Black Gloves. These are the perfect goalie gloves. Their choice of vibrant, illuminating colors such green and pinks makes them an eye-catching sight from a distance. Puma's Evopower products come with a palm section that is 4mm thick, providing an excellent grasp level at a surprisingly affordable price. The design of Puma Evopower has involved detailed innovation and technology, especially on the Puma Evopower grip. Their straps are a combination of latex and bandage, so there is optimal finger security and the ability for a lot of movement.